Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Croatia. We're still in Croatia, though we did very briefly pass through Bosnia and
Herzegovina.
Thank you. But we went to Split for lunch, and we are now in Croatian National Park. I don't know if I'm saying it right, probably not, but I will insert the names of places here so that you can see them. We have just did a walk around Gradinsky Waterfall. Again, I'll put the name in. I think that there has been some rain because it is quite full and it seems to be flowing in places that wouldn't normally be flowing. So yeah, that's where we are now, and we are heading to Zadar today. Yeah, it is quite warm. Hey Sari, what is the temperature?
It's about 27 degrees outside.
So yeah, 27 degrees at the moment, with a 10% chance of rain. But yeah, it's quite warm. We don't really know what's happening because we just don't know. Good morning everybody, and welcome to Lake Bled in Slovenia. We were in the capital city, I can't say its name, yesterday. I forgot to take my camera with me, so I didn't actually film anything, but it's a very beautiful city and I definitely want to go back and explore it. We stopped here on our way to Vienna in Austria today, and we are just wandering around this turquoise coloured lake, which is very beautiful, with giant fish in it, and singing The Sound of Music in preparation for Austria apparently. That's where we're heading, and it's Alex's birthday today. We are going to a classical music concert thing this evening as part of the Contiki. That's where we're at. So enjoy having a brave nosy with us at Lake Bled.